Now we are looking at the Docker installation on CentOS using the second method, that is by using the script. Here we have to just run two commands. Curl, we will download one script. We will name the script any name by specifying the minus option, in our case get-docker.sh. Then with ssh command we are going to run the script. It will automatically install all the things. Then later on we will check the with docker version command whether we have been successfully able to install or not. So let us type the commands. Before that, let us start this VM. So we are again using the machine that we created by cloning. Now again we will log in and then we will download the script. Root 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is the command? It is curl. If curl command is not available in your system, what you can do, yum install curl. Get docker.com minus option. It will get the script and it will save it with the name docker.sh. Now let us check. As can be seen, we are able to get docker. Now let me check whether already docker is installed or not. No. So I will just clear the screen. So what is the command? sh get. Again internet should be running. Now it will again perform those steps that we performed ourselves one by one when we were installing using Docker official repository. Again it is downloading the way. Sometimes when you are not comfortable with running so many commands and you do not know on which distribution to run which command, so always this is one of the preferred method. Okay, just download the script. What will happen? It will automatically install. Now again it is doing lot of things. It is going to take time, so let us wait for this. Meanwhile, I will open the second terminal to show you what is in script. Root. Meanwhile, we will again check that mean what was the script. So I'm opening the script with, but since sometimes running the script that we have downloaded can be dangerous, so sometimes it is not recommended on production systems. So script is written, it automatically check which version of Linux is running, which distribution. According to that, one very big script. So I will clear. Now it has installed. It is giving you some message also. If you are going to use Docker as a simple user, then you can run this command also, usermod -ag docker, your username. But since we have installed using Docker, so we will not be running this command here. So I'm just going to clear the screen. I will run that command, docker version again that service we have to enable. System ctl start docker enable so we will clear the screen again. We will so it is little bit easier method. So again I will power off. So that means this was the method that we used by scripting, we installed by using script. Again it has installed the same version. So I'm just powering off this system. So this is the way to install.